Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is jQuery. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is jQuery? jQuery is a classic JavaScript library that's fast, lightweight, and feature-rich. It was built in 2006 by John Risig at Barcamp, New York City. jQuery is free and open source software with a license from MIT. It makes things simpler for HTML document manipulation and traversal animation, event handling, and Ajax. According to W3 Tech, 77.6% of all sites use jQuery as of February 23rd, 2021. So let's talk about what are the features and benefits that we can get in using jQuery. We have here, it has an easy to use minimalistic API or application programming interface. It uses CSS3 selectors in manipulating style, properties, and finding elements. jQuery is lightweight, taking just 30 kilobyte to gzip in Minify and supports an AMD module. As its syntax is quite similar to that of CSS, it is easy for beginners to learn. We have also here extendable with plugins, versatility with an API that supports multiple browsers including Chrome and Firefox. So what are the use cases in jQuery? DOM, manipulation with CSS selectors that use certain criteria to select a node in the DOM. These criteria include element names and their attributes like class and ID. Element selection in DOM using CSOL, an open source multi-browser selector engine. Creating effects, events, and animations. JSON parsing. We have also here Ajax application development, feature detection, and lastly, control of asynchronous processing with promise and deferred objects. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is jQuery is all about. One of the most common of JavaScript library that is widely used in web and mobile applications. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.